Hello everybody, I'm Takeshy, and today I'm gonna react to Volume 2, Chapter 3 of RWBY, Minor Hiccup. So, as we know, the girls are gonna go out and search for clues, while the enemy is already inside Beacon. So, something's gonna go wrong, either for the enemy or the team. We will see. If it's the enemy who's got a problem, RWBY and others will get to know that they are inside. But if most likely what's gonna happen, that the team is gonna have a little bit problem, and that's gonna be happening. So without further ado, let's just simply start this in 3, 2, 1 now. And this part is still loud a bit, at least for me.
There's a point where it tips, there's a point where it breaks, there's a point where it bends, and a point we just can't take anymore. There's a line that will cross and there's no return. There's a time and a place, no bridges left to burn anymore. We can't just wait with lives at stake until they think we're ready. Our enemies are gathering, our storm is growing louder. Now it's time to say goodbye to the things we love and the innocence of good. All the time seems to fly from every heart, and the solitude beats we always knew.
I like this opening a bit more than the first one. 359. Yamba da yamba.
So, Weiss, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat?
Still trying?
And, I've got 2 tickets to that new Bruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vale. I hear it's awesome. And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart and I'm
She doesn't care.
And then timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next time.
Weiss, did you hear me?
No, 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 yes.
Nice try though.
One day.
You have Pura. Come on.
I thought that class would never end.
Oh.
Alright guys, today's the day. The investigation begins!
I'm glad you are taking this so seriously.
Hey, we've got a plan. That's
No outfits.
moderately
Okay.
serious.
Right. Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem.
The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Okay.
Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
Hello.
Son, how did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
He's a monkey.
I climb trees all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that Torchwick guy?
We are going to investigate the situation
Not you.
as a team.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Hi.
Sup?
How did you even get up here?
I have my ways.
Seriously
though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
Alright, I'll go with Weiss. Son, you can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good?
Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister.
But Weiss, who would go with you then?
Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
She wants that with us.
But...
Yes.
Wow!
Denied.
Forget how big the transmit tower looks up close!
You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right? Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the four kingdoms to communicate with one another.
Okay.
It was their gift to the world after the Great War.
Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
Okay.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Ah,
Oh,
oh,
hello, Bunny.
you dropped this. Penny?
No?
Where have you been? We haven't seen
Yeah.
you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused.
Mm.
I've got to go,
What was that about?
Oh, she's not
don't know,
allowed to come
but I'm going to
out.
find out. You go make your
She will
call.
have
I'll
her
meet up with you
time.
later.
Wait!
Her time will come.
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What? Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad.
I have
need
beat
you to
those
tell me
guys.
what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
Or not?
It isn't safe to talk here.
I'm being watched. That's a big house. Oh, yes, it's a communication center. As Vice told us.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity?
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
She doesn't like being called Schnee, it seems. And it's a voice activated elevator. Let's see. Oh, welcome.
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely.
Okay.
If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Is it safe if you want to use it like here?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you.
Okay.
I was actually wondering if you could
Sister
find some
Winter?
files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
Obviously.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Fake smile.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too
Oh, her
far,
father, okay.
but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot.
Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay?
I was asked not to talk to you, or Weiss, or Blake,
Or anyone.
Yang. Anybody, really.
Was your dad that upset?
No, it wasn't my father.
The AK-130 has been standard security model of Remnant for several years. And they have done a fine job, wouldn't you agree?
General.
But
Okay.
the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it? Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200.
Okay, robots.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield.
Okay.
However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby.
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Atlesian Paladin.
Oh. Okay, that's a mecha.
Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Oh,
Ruby,
she's a gunman.
Maybe we should go
Weapon
somewhere
mode.
else. Penny?
Oh, she.
Where are
What?
you going?
Is she with the army or?
Down here. She went this way.
That was close. And those are humans. Okay, nice diversion.
This way!
That's the road. That's the. Oh, this guy again.
Penny? Are you okay?
Oh,
Did you see that?
I see metal.
Penny, come back!
Call the police?
She is a humanoid droid. It seems. That's why they said it.
Penny! Please! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you. No, you wouldn't understand. Let me try.
Yeah.
You can trust me.
That's what she
You're
would
my
call.
friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise. Ruby, I'm not a real girl.
So what? If you have a mind. Oh. New song. Salutations! Getting ready to stop the video. Now, okay. So what? Even if you are not a human, you still have your own thinkings. If it's you can be friends. It's not like friendship is only for humans. You can be friends with a dog. You can be friends with an animal. Hell, even you can be friends with a tree, but who cares? But yeah, if you want to be friends, you can be one. It seems Penny has her own concerns and she moves by herself. She isn't moved by another human, or obviously she's moved by a program, but it's a learning program, it seems. So it's a new project that the army has. That's why she's kept in secret. That's gonna be a problem. If not by Ruby, because Ruby will get it obviously, but other humans might not be so welcoming about humanoid robots, because then the difference between robots and humans will just disperse, and you will not be able to tell if the enemy is within you. And we are going into Ghost in the Shell territory. So I'm looking forward to the next episode, which will be painting the town, most likely about the other two girls. And yeah, Penny is a robot, but who cares? They can be friends, right? I hope so, because why not? Let's see I will see the next episode next week, and see you then. Bye.